Hey guys. Yeah. I'm fucking. How am I gonna slow down? How am I gonna slow down? What? Ah!
I'll bring Bella inside. No,
Snapped.
No.
We gotta put her on something better.
Oh, duh. Freaking does not even big enough. Oh my god. It's even close to being big enough.
Try like 4 more times. How am I gonna slow down? Because I really don't.
Don't slow down.
I'm gonna smack in the back of the thing.
It's not that hard to freaking slow down. Put your foot out, or you just wait till you hit me.
So where are you gonna go? Wait, when are you gonna stop? At the at the road? Okay. Well, that bitch has a winch on it too.
Okay, and they had a fish pole, and they caught 3 trout the other day.
Papa's is still better. I'd rather have something like that though. Something that can actually. What happened?
Huh?
Okay.
Oh.
I tried to put that. This was like this.
I'm in charge of what I have.
Turn. I'll pull it out. Pull it right up into this bolt.
I'm in charge of behind. Daddy.
I don't feel safe at all. We're straight. That is straight. Go faster. Zachary. Don't go that fast. Do not go that fast. Zachary! Go off! I'm not fucking. I'm not fucking done. Nailed it! Oh, what the fuck?
That was about as close as you got.
What? No? I ducked.
Where's the wheel?
Oh my god!
Where's the other wheel?
I just turned around and I was like,
Where's the other wheel?
I knew right when we were going up that hill, you were gonna go way too fast.
Justin, where's the other wheel?
Where's the wheels over there?
the boat is fine.
That truck was as high as it was. That's all I can say.
Hey, it's not as bad as having this become
I don't want to know. I don't need
what I did.
Oh wait, hey, have you guys seen me do the zip line yet?
Okay.
Oh, fuck me, that hurt a little. Oh, the whole. Oh, I just like. Oh, oh Jesus Christ.